In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect emails on Google Sites. Let's dive right in and explore a simple and effective method to set up an email subscription form using Elfsight widgets. This tutorial will guide you through each step to ensure your site is ready to collect emails efficiently. First, make your way over to the Elfsight website. Once you're there, locate the option labeled Catalog. This area is crucial as it houses a vast array of handy widgets that can be integrated into your Google site. Now in the search bar, type the term subs. This search will promptly lead you to a subscription form, which is our target today. You'll see an option called subscription form. Clicking on this will present you with various templates designed to fit both aesthetic and functional needs. Browse these templates and choose one that aligns with your site's design and goals for collecting emails. Once you've selected your template, click on Continue with this template. This step is key to customizing your subscription form. At this point, you can add any additional fields to your form if required. For our purpose today, let's keep it straightforward by clicking on Email. This is where visitors will input their email addresses to subscribe to your communications. Next, you have options to edit text such as Notify Me or any other call to action message to engage your audience. Once satisfied with the adjustments, click on Publish. In many instances, Elfsight's widgets come with various pricing tiers. If available, choose free and then select. This ensures you can utilize basic features at no cost, which is fantastic when starting out. Following publishing, a copy code button will appear. Click on it to copy the embed code, which is the vital piece that you'll be integrating into your Google site. Let's switch over to your Google site now. There, you need to find the embed feature. It's usually quite straightforward to locate, often within the editing tools. In the embed menu, choose embed code. This is where you'll paste the HTML code you copied from Elfsight. Once pasted, click on Next. It's essential here to preview how your form looks to ensure it integrates well with the rest of your site design. Finally, click Insert to place the email collection form on your page. Adjust the positioning and settings on Google Sites as necessary to fit your page layout. And there you have it. Your Google site is now equipped to collect email subscriptions seamlessly. With this setup, you can efficiently build and expand your mailing list directly through Google Sites. This approach not only enhances engagement with your audience, but also creates opportunities for ongoing communication. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you capture those all-important email leads.